In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Google Sheets. Let's walk through the process from the very beginning, and I'll share simple tips along the way so you feel comfortable getting started. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. This gives us quick access to all Google apps. If you're already signed into your Google account, perfect. If not, don't worry. When you open Sheets, you may be prompted to sign in, so your new file can be saved to your drive automatically. Look to the top right of the Google homepage for the grid icon. It looks like 9 small dots arranged in a square. Click that icon to open the Google Apps menu. This panel shows commonly used apps, and it's the easiest way to jump into Sheets without typing extra addresses. Next, click on Sheets. It will open in a new tab and take you to the Google Sheets Start page. Here you'll see templates, but for now, we'll keep things simple. Click on Blank Spreadsheet. This creates a brand new file and opens it immediately. You'll see an empty grid of cells, and at the very top left, the file will have a default name. Now you can start entering your data. Click a cell and type. Press Enter to move down or Tab to move to the right. If you make a mistake, use Undo. As you type, notice that each cell belongs to a column and a row, which helps keep things organized and makes it easy to refer to data later. You can adjust columns and rows to make your sheet easier to read. Hover your mouse over the line between column letters or row numbers until you see a double-sided arrow. Click and drag to resize. If your text is cut off, try resizing the column wider. Double-clicking the boundary is a quick way to auto-fit the width to your content. You can also add color to cells, entire rows, or columns to visually separate sections. Select the area you want to highlight, then click the Fill Color Paint bucket in the toolbar and choose a color. This is great for headers or key totals. You can also adjust text color to improve contrast if needed. Finally, rename your spreadsheet at the top left. Click the current title, type a clear, descriptive name, and press Enter. Your changes save automatically, so you won't lose your work. That's it. Your new Google Sheets file is ready, formatted, and named. Thanks for following along, and happy spreadsheeting!